Okay, so today we're gonna adjust Miles here. I'm gonna have him remove, I'm gonna take this hat from you. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through what an adjustment looks like for Miles. How old are you?
9.
9? He's 9. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through what an adjustment looks like for a 9-year-old. So it's a lot of the same things that we would do for an adult. Sometimes the force is a little bit different on a child. Miles has been getting adjusted probably for the last 5, 6, 7 years, something like that.
8 years.
8 years. Okay, very good. That all feels good?
Yeah.
Okay. Roll over on your side this way. There you go. Okay, go ahead and sit up. Facing the computer screen. Alright. So the last thing I'll do when I'm finished adjusting him is I'll use this arthro stem. This is going to allow me to start to change the position of the spine. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And so when we're doing this, this starts to induce that cervical curve back in there. Okay, it's that easy. That's an adjustment. Thanks, Miles.